Relationships are important in so many ways, starting with how we work with the soil and the land. The stronger the relationships that we can maintain, the stronger, I believe, impact we'll have in the community. I'm Chris Laughlin. I own and operate Sea to Sky Farm here in Bonnie Doon, California. I grew up in a farm family, 4 generations, now I'm the 4th. It's really important for us to keep the balance in how we farm and treat the earth and the soil. At the Sea Farm, we're farming about 19 acres, mostly vegetables. The Sky Farm, we grow mainly sweet potatoes, blueberries, and then a whole variety of other crops. Our approach to sustainability at Sea to Sky is multifaceted, so we're looking at what we're doing with the soils and what we're growing. We do a lot of crop rotation, cover crops to put nutrients back into the soil. It's so important today to have support for small and medium farmers. It allows us to continue the practices that are so important. We're trying to keep intact a food system that's healthy, organic, long-term, a subset of farming that needs to be protected but also needs to grow.